You have to, put everything into practice, and I feel like, online learning, you're learning the material, you're reading the material, you're reading the instructions, and then when you're doing skills, you're practicing those certain, skill sets, and then the simulation, the instructions and the skills, it all kind of meshes together and marries together.
Skills Labs is mostly, it starts off as demonstration from the instructors, and then breaking off into groups. You get the hands-on experience. It gets you familiar with what you're dealing with, so you're not going into the clinical setting and you're like, okay, I've never seen this IV before, or this machine, what does this do?
You can read everything you want in a textbook, but it's not until you actually do it with your own hands that you feel confident in it. And that's what Skills Lab did for me.